एंड वेलकम टू द क्लास ऑफ अनुराग बनियाल। आज हम आपके सामने यहाँ पर एक बहुत ही बेसिक सा क्वेश्चन करने वाले हैं, दैट इज quadratic equation. How to solve questions related to quadratic equation we will see in this class, and you will very easily able to solve some basic questions regarding your quadratic equation. Now, how would you solve the questions of a quadratic equation? आप quadratic equation के questions को कैसे करके solve करोगे? So first you have to understand that a quadratic equation is in the form of ax to the power 2 plus bx plus c. This is in general we call it as your quadratic equation, which is equals to 0. So this is basically your quadratic equation. इसमें a और b और c ये जो हैं, these are your coefficients of your x square of your x, and this is a constant value. So you have to understand something basic things. Now, how will you deal with such questions? How will you put some things in your mind? So let us say that there is a question that is 2x to the power 2 plus 5x plus 3, and that is equals to 0. Now, how do you solve this question? Basically, we generally do some calculation. We have to make some calculation to solve this question. Now you have to understand that when we make the comparison of this equation with our general quadratic equation, that is ax to the power 2 plus bx plus c, we get a, b and c that are 2, 5 and 3. So a is equals to 2, b is equals to 5 and c is equals to 3. Now first thing you have to do, that you have to multiply this a with your c. That is, a should be multiplied with c, and you will get answer, that is 2 into 3, which will comes out to be 6. Now by doing so, you have to think that now you have to break this 5 into parts such as m and n. So when you will add these m and n, you should get the middle term, that is b, which is nothing but equals to 5. But when you multiply these two terms, that is m and n, this should be equals to a into c, which is equals to 6. So when we think of getting a substitute for m, we find that when this 5 is break into 3 and 2, you will get 3 plus 2, that is equals to 5, and when you multiply 3 into 2, you will get exactly what you are saying about a into c, and this is nothing but equals to b. So the conditions are fulfilled when m is equals to 3 and when we put n is equals to 2. So since we know a lot of things now, as we already know, now we will put some basic values and try to solve this question. Now since we have this basic thing, that is 2x to the power 2, now we can say that यहाँ पर जो 5 है इसको तोड़ा जा सकता है. This 5 can be break down into 2 parts, that is 3 plus 2, और पीछे हमारा x already present है, plus 3, that is equals to 0. Now this 2 into x square plus this 3x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now when we see these two terms, we will have to take common from these two parts and common from these two things. How do you take this common? So we take, there is nothing, but we can say that there is a common, that is 1, along with your x, that is your this is your variable x. Now taking 1x as common, you will nothing get out of this box, but this remains 2x to the power 2 will now get 2x plus 3 plus now here is nothing common but only a 1, so this will also remain same, as 2x plus 3, which is equals to 0. Now we see that there are two terms which are जो कॉमन दिखाई दे रहे हैं, बिल्कुल साफ साफ कॉमन दिखाई देंगे आपको. That is 2x plus 3. This and these two brackets are now common. So these two brackets, that is 2x plus 3, are now out of the box, completely out of the box. Now you are left only with this 1x, that is nothing but x plus 1. So now on moving further, we will get to know that we can take now something more as common. Now you will see that when you put this 2x to the power 2, 2x plus 3 equals to 0. This 2x is equals to minus ka 3. Then you will get x equals to minus ka 3y. The first answer of this question comes out to be this. Now when you put this x plus 1 as equals to 0, you will get x plus 1 equals to 0, and this x will be equals to minus ka 1. So this is the other value. So these are the two answers. Finally, at the end, we can say that we have the two values as x equals to minus 3 by 2 and minus 1. So these are the answers. I hope you would have liked these videos. Thanks for watching.